Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one we can put into 2 to the power of s multiplied by 2 to the power of 3. This one we have 4 to the power of s multiplied by number 4. Because 4 to the power of 1 we have number 4. And we know that number 4 that's about 2 to the power of 2. So number 2 we put outside and we can put like this. Next we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to 2 to the power of s. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides. And we have 2 to the power of s ln number 2 ds. Because we don't have ln number 2, so we divide both sides by ln number 2. This one we change by u. This one we change by du over ln number 2 with ds. So this one I will put outside. Now we divide both sides by number 4. Next, we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about u equal to number 4 tan t. Because if I put this one gone here, we have 16 tan t square. Number 16, we can do about factorization. 1 plus tan t square, we change by secant of t square, and later that we simplify by du. So I will put this one to change for du, and this one I will go in here. This one we have 16 tan t square. Number 16, we can do about factorization. And this one we change by secant of t square. Now we need to simplify number 8 and secant of t square on numerator and denominator. And we will have like this. So 2 with number 4 we have number 8. 8 divided by 16 we have 1 over 2. This one and this one we cancel. And now we have the final answer. About t, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by number 4. And we have t equals to arctan of u over 4. So I will put this one to change for t. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.